Hey, this is Corey at Classroom Tech Made Simple, and I want to share with you today on how to use Google in a little bit more advanced way. Let's start by learning the advanced search. So if I'm on just Google, I'm using Google Chrome as my browser on a desktop. If I just come down here to the bottom right-hand corner, I can click on Settings, and then I just go to Advanced Search. Now this gives me all kinds of different areas that I can add text, and I can make the results a little bit more narrow. I can use and find pages with these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. I can even add some numbers. And then I can also start to use the Google Advanced Search to narrow my results by language, region, update, a specific site or domain, which is beneficial sometimes, where these terms are appearing on the page, whether it's in a title or in the URL or in a link. I can also implement the safe search, which I advise to use 99.99% of the time. You can search for a specific file, whether it is a PDF. And you can also, one of my favorites is the usage rights. Most Google searches are not filtered by license, but if you come over here and you do an advanced search for free to use or share even commercially, free to use, share, or modify, free to use, share, or modify even commercially, these are usage rights that you should start to implement in your classroom and in your own searching so that we are using images that are okay to use. So it's important to share this with your students because it's so easy just to nab an image off the internet. So I'm hoping that you guys will start using the Google Advanced Search in your own classroom, share it out with your students. Remember, this is from a desktop version, so it's going to look a little bit different if you're using an iPad. You can go ahead and check out my next video on how to do this from an iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at Corey at ClassroomTechMadeSimple.com.